How to create digital business card in Canva. Here is a concise guide on how to create a digital business card using a popular tool Canva in just a few minutes. Creating a digital business card can be a great way to share your content information easily and efficiently. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to create a digital business card. Firstly, all you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. As you can see, here we have the home page. We have here Canva home, design spotlights. But before all of that, we I will show you how to sign up. All you have to do is click over sign up. As you can see, here we have various things. We have use your email or another service. We can use Google, Facebook, or email. So let's choose email. So you write your email here and you click over continue, and then you sign up. But if you have an account, all you have to do is click over log in and find your account. Here we have design spotlight. First things here, you can select the one you want or click over the one you want. First we have visual documents, visual site, docs, presentations, whiteboards, PDF editor, graphs and charts, about photos and videos, video editor, YouTube video editor, photo collages, background remover. About print we have business cards, invitation, mugs, t-shirts, hoodies, calendars, labels. About marketing, we have logos, posters, flyers, brochures, social media, websites, stickers, yard signs, QR code generation. So then we have here business. We have firstly Canva, enterprise, Canva teams, contact sales. About business solutions, we have marketing, creatives, agencies, sales, communications, real estate, small and medium business, startups, franchise, and all business solutions. Then we have use case, content creation, visual communication, brand management, team collaboration, asset management, brainstorms and workshops, branded team template, productivity and workflows. Then we have here resources, businesses, resources, case studies, features, integration and apps, security, enterprise onboarding services. Then we have here education, teacher and schools, students, generators, LMS integrations, case studies, higher education, and become an education creator. Create and publish your own resources on Canva and earn by sharing. Here we have a first thing. You can just choose the one you want and get other more information about it. Here we have others also. So here, the homepage, here we have what will you design today. Canva makes it easy to create and share professional designs. Start designing. All you have to do here, firstly we have posters, resumes, logos, docs, whiteboards. You can select the one you want, presentations, social, video, websites, Instagram posts, brochures, photo editor. Then we have a perfect fit for everyone. We have three. Firstly, we have for one person, Canva free for designing or working on anything. For one person, Canva Pro for growing your brand or passion project with premium features. Then we have for your team, Canva teams for teams to create together which premier workplace tools and workflows. Start free Teams trial. Then we have here trusted by well-known companies. Firstly, we have create with AA, define the way you create with Magic Studio or our site of AI powered tools that generate copy on your brand voice with Magic Write and transform your photos with Magic Edits. Then we have design with others, invite friends and family to design with you or set your whole team up to work together. Our collaboration features let you comment and work in real time. Presentations, whiteboards, docs, videos, or the birthday party planning. You have templates for absolutely anything. Customize an office template or design something more personal like an invitation. As you can see here, we have various things like open house, marketing review, capsule collections, our sustainable, all new plus project, and the various thing. You can just read it and know other information. Then we have the one that gets down to businesses Empower everyone to design this together with Canva teams. Firstly, we have here AI-powered efficiency, bring your brand in-house, beautiful approval flows. Then we have full of surprises. Here are some of our best tricks you might not know about. As you can see here, we have firstly we've got an apps marketplace. We've got a desktop app, business love us. We make presenting easy of a video and other things. So this is for the website. So let's know other information about how to create digital business card in Canva. So firstly we have choose a platform or application, select a platform or app. There are several apps and platforms available for creating digital business cards such as Canva. And here we have step 2, sign up or log in. Create an account or log in. If you are using an app, download it from your app store and create an account or log in. If you already have one, then select a template. Browse templates. Most platforms offer a variety of templates. Choose a template that fits your brand or personal style. Then select a template. Click on the template to start customizing it. Step 4, we have customize your digital business card. First, we have add your logo. Upload your company logo. Most platforms will have an option to add an image or logo. Then enter your information. Include your name, job title, company name, phone number, email address, website, and any other relevant information. Then customize the design. Change colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. Most platforms allow you to drag and drop elements to create a design that you like. Then we have add social media links, include icons and links to your social media profiles to make it easy for people to connect with you online. Step 5, we have save and export. Firstly, we have preview your card. Before finalizing, preview your digital business cards to make sure everything looks good. Then save your card, save your design. Most platforms will save your card in your account for future edits. Then we have export your card, export your digital business card as PNG, PDF file. Some apps also allow you to share your card via a QR code. Then we have step 6, share your digital business card via email, social media or QR code. So by following these steps you can create a professional and a catchy digital business card that you can easily share with others in a variety of ways. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.